Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step back in time and experience the timeless elegance of AL. Here are some reasons why you might consider designing a luxurious classic bathroom. Timeless elegance. Beauty. A classic design transcends trends and never goes out of style. High-quality materials, symmetrical layouts, and ornate details create a bathroom that will look stunning for decades to come. Increased home value. A well-designed luxury bathroom can significantly increase the value of your property, especially if you use high-quality materials and timeless design elements. It's an investment that can pay off when it's time to sell. Spa-like experience. Indulge yourself in a daily spa retreat. The luxurious materials. Spacious walk-in shower and clawfoot bathtub create a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. A statement piece. A classic luxury bathroom is a statement piece in your home. The rich materials, intricate details, and elegant fixtures create a space that is both beautiful and functional, impressing you and your guests. Sense of history. Refinement. Embrace a sense of history and refinement with a classic design. Imagine yourself stepping into a bygone era of elegance and luxury every time you enter your bathroom. Investment in quality. Durability. Classic designs often prioritize high-quality materials like marble and solid wood. These materials are not only beautiful but also incredibly durable, ensuring your bathroom will last for years to come. Overall, a luxurious classic bathroom is an investment in elegance, functionality, and lasting value. It's a space designed for relaxation, a statement piece in your home, and a timeless expression of luxury and refinement. Luxury classic bathroom design. Here's what awaits you: evoking grandeur, symmetrical layout. The overall layout is balanced and symmetrical, creating a sense of order and formality. This can be achieved through centered placement of fixtures like bathtubs and vanities, and mirrored arrangements on opposing walls. Rich materials. High-quality materials are a hallmark of classic luxury. Think marble floors and wall tiles with intricate veining, or wainscoting with a detailed chair rail. Solid wood vanities with granite countertops add warmth and a sense of substance. Ornate hardware. Fixtures and hardware are anything but ordinary. Imagine polished chrome or brass faucets with detailed handles. Towel racks with decorative curves, and classic-style cabinet pulls. Bathtub as a focal point. Freestanding statement. A freestanding bathtub, preferably clawfoot or with ornate detailing, takes center stage. Picture yourself relaxing in a luxurious haven, feeling pampered and transported to a bygone era. Shower elegance. Walk-in enclosure. A spacious walk-in shower with a frameless glass door creates a sense of openness and elegance. Consider traditional shower heads with handheld attachments for added functionality. Classic subway tiles or marble mosaics on the shower walls complete the look. Lighting design. Warm inviting. The lighting scheme is warm and inviting. Sconces flank the vanity, casting a soft glow on your reflection. A crystal chandelier adds a touch of sparkle and timeless elegance. Extra touches of luxury. Heated floors. Imagine stepping onto a warm floor after a relaxing bath or shower. Heated floors add a touch of luxury and comfort, especially in colder climates. Fireplace. Optional for the ultimate in luxury, consider incorporating a fireplace into your bathroom design. A gas fireplace with a classic mantelpiece creates a truly opulent and inviting space. Overall ambience. Imagine a bathroom that feels like a retreat from the everyday. It's a space designed for relaxation and indulgence, where every detail evokes a sense of timeless elegance and sophisticated luxury. Here's a roadmap to guide you in designing your dream luxurious classic bathroom. 1. Define your budget scope. Prioritize needs wants. Luxury classic bathrooms can range from elegant to opulent. Determine your budget and prioritize the features most important to you. Freestanding tub, walk-in shower, heated floors, etc. 2. Inspiration planning. Research inspiration. Browse design magazines, websites, and social media platforms like Pinterest for inspiration. Collect images of classic bathroom designs that resonate with you, focusing on materials, layout, fixtures, and decorative elements. Create a mood board to visualize your ideal bathroom. 3. Measure assess. Detailed floor plan. Carefully measure your bathroom space and create a detailed floor plan. Consider the placement of the bathtub, shower, vanity, toilet, and any additional features like a bidet or towel warmer. Ensure proper clearances for functionality and a comfortable layout. 4. Embrace classic elements, symmetrical layout. Plan a balanced and symmetrical layout for a sense of order and formality. Center your bathtub, vanity, and potentially a mirror on an opposite wall. Rich materials. Invest in high-quality materials that exude luxury. Opt for marble floors and wall tiles, or classic wainscoting with a detailed chair rail. Solid wood vanities with granite countertops add warmth and a sense of substance. 5. The statement tub, freestanding luxury. A freestanding bathtub, preferably clawfoot or with ornate detailing, is the focal point. Consider size, material, cast iron for a truly classic feel, and functionality, clawfoot versus modern freestanding with deck for faucets. 6. Elegant shower design, walk-in enclosure. Create a spacious walk-in shower with a frameless glass door for a luxurious and open feel. Opt for traditional shower heads with handheld attachments for added functionality. Classic tiles, classic subway tiles or marble mosaics on the shower walls complete the classic look. Consider incorporating a built-in shower niche for storing toiletries. 7. Lighting design, warm inviting ambience. Design a warm and inviting lighting scheme. Install sconces with classic shades on either side of the vanity for task lighting and a touch of symmetry. Crystal chandelier, optional. A statement crystal chandelier adds a touch of sparkle and timeless elegance, especially in a larger bathroom. Consider dimmer switches for adjustable lighting throughout the day. 8. Extra touches of luxury, heated floors, optional. Indulge in the comfort of heated floors, especially in colder climates. Fireplace, optional for the ultimate spa-like experience. Consider incorporating a gas fireplace with a classic mantelpiece. 9. Hardware selection, ornate touches. Select polished chrome or brass faucets with detailed handles, towel racks with decorative curves, and classic-style cabinet pulls. These details elevate the overall look and feel. 10. Decorative accents, vintage touches. Carefully chosen vintage elements like a decorative soap dish, a framed botanical print, or a throw rug in a classic pattern add a touch of personality and history. Fresh flowers towels, fresh flowers in a crystal vase and plush towels in a classic color palette add a touch of luxury and complete the spa-like atmosphere. Remember, prioritize functionality. While aesthetics are important, ensure the bathroom layout is functional and comfortable for everyday use. Seek professional help. Optional. Consider consulting an interior designer or contractor to help with the design, material selection, and execution of your dream classic bathroom, especially if dealing with complex plumbing or layout changes. Focus on quality. Invest in high-quality materials that will last for years to come. By following these steps and indulging in your classic design dreams, you can transform your bathroom into a luxurious oasis of timeless elegance and enduring beauty. Here are a few short options to entice viewers to watch your video on luxurious classic bathroom designs. Indulge in timeless elegance. This video explores luxurious classic bathroom designs for a touch of history refinement in your daily routine. Click to watch now. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.